Hi, hello, good evening, friends. Welcome one and all to Super 25 2.0, India's largest online stock traders conference. Friends, our speaker for today is Swapnaja Sharma, who is the founder of Words Unlimited, an active trader, passive investor, and a passionate trainer. She has been very active in the trading world. She has a successful YouTube channel. She focused predominantly on money management methods for long-term sustainability. Well, she has been a commerce graduate and spent close to 12 years in the market so far. She has been a repeated speaker in most of our programs. Swapnaja, it's great to have you again on board as a speaker and a warm welcome into the program.
Thank you, Ashok, for this opportunity. So now I guess I'll just start.
Go on, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. Okay, guys, this webinar is all about Fibonacci system. Okay, I know that you guys know what is Fibonacci. Many of you must be knowing what is Fibonacci system. But there should be some system around any method. That's what I feel. So I'm just sharing you my trading style with you. So we'll just see how it goes. Now, just to give this guy credit, who is Fibonacci? He is also known as Leonardo Bonacci, was an Italian mathematician from the Republic of Pisa, considered to be the most talented Western mathematician of the Middle Age. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a ton for this guy. Now we'll just see if for a couple of minutes what is these Fibonacci sequences and what is it all about. We'll just spend few minutes and then we'll jump on charts to understand how to trade it, right? So what is Fibonacci sequence? It's about, see, this is 0. Now the next number is 1. Just a second. Yeah. Guys, just 1 minute. All right. Yeah, now my pen is working, hopefully. Fine. Okay, this is 1, and how we get this 1, we just add this 1 to the previous number. So we'll get this 1. Now we'll add this number 1 to 1, and the next Fibonacci number we get is 2. Now add this 2 to 1, we'll get 3. 3 to this 2, we'll get 5, and so on and so forth. Add this 21 to 30, and we'll get the next Fibonacci number. So if you want the Fibonacci number, the next one, just add 34 to 21. And how this retracement levels actually derive, it just divide this from this. So around, if you just divide 34 divided by 21, you will get whatever the digit you will get, that is the retracement level. So as you know, there are many retracement level in Fibonacci numbers, right? But the main thing is what we'll do, we just want these 3 important numbers, and this one is 0.786, 0.5, although 0.5 is not a retracement level. This is just a psychological level, but this is very, very important level when you actually trade, and I'll show you how it is important. And the next one is 0.236. And as I said, there are many retracement level of Fibonacci, but I only play with these 3 levels. That's it. Otherwise, people normally get confused that from which level it will turn, or from which level we need to trade, and how to trade using that particular system. So this is what I do. I take basically I go for these 3 levels, and important EMA for me is 100 EMA. Now, why this 100 EMA? If you couple this both particular things, 100 EMA and these levels, you actually can get amazing trades. Not only on any time frame, but you can use this particular method on equity, commodity, your currency, anywhere you can use it. Okay, it just works perfectly. But yeah, there are a few things you should know how to use it, right? So I guess this is the only presentation. I don't want to we'll just, shift on chart. So first what we'll do, we'll understand the importance of 100 EMM. Okay. Now for me, I hope you can see the chart, right? Just type yes, no.
Yes.
Right. All right, I'll just remove tracks. Why this 100 EMA? Basically, this 100 EMA shows us the trend. And we always use this particular system in a trending market, in a trending stock. That trend can be up, that trend can be down. But whenever this EMA is trending down, now this is the Reliance ka 30-minute ka chart. Okay, we can take any chart, but I'm just taking this right now, Reliance 30-minute chart. Now you can clearly see this is 100 EMA, right? And this is trending down. This here is actually moving upward. This EMA is moving upward, and so the stock is moving upward. But whenever this EMA is flat, it means the stock is flat. There is no movement in a particular stock. I'll just show you what I mean by flat. Now see this. This particular thing here, basically the EMA is flat. It is actually going nowhere. It is not coming down. It is not going up. And what actually stock, any other script do around this 100 EMA, it actually consolidates. It consolidates and then it can go further down or it can go further up. And it will take its trend, whatever it is. Okay. So whenever any stock or any script is around 100 EMA, better don't trade that particular script. It means that it is in a consolidation mode. And if you are a directional player, then you know that you actually want only trending stock. And when it is trending, when the EMA also basically in upward move, it means the stock is trending. This is the simple formula. Okay. Are you guys clear up till now? Just why this is not just a second. Well, there is some problem. I need to share my other screen, Ashok. Just a minute.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Because
Yes, go ahead.
fine. So again, I will take any chart, any random chart. Say gold ka chart, will take it. Yeah, this is gold. We'll see daily chart. Okay. Yeah. Now see this. This is daily chart of gold. Okay. I'm just telling you the significance of 100 EMA first. So then basically you can use this not only with FIBO, but in your trading style, day-to-day trading style too. Okay, now this is 100 EMA, and whenever any script is around 100 EMA, basically it is in a consolidation mode. See this is all the consolidation mode. Okay, so this is how this 100 EMA basically support us. Now see this is gold, this EMA is trending, and so the stock is. So you know when this is trending, this is in an upward direction. Whenever any script comes to this particular 100 EMA, it can take a bounce again, and again it can go further. But now here you can see this. It came here, it took support, but then it went to consolidation mode. See this particular zone. This is daily chart of gold. Okay, it actually stopped falling here. It then went to the consolidation mode, and then again this is the entire consolidation on a daily chart. Take any time frame. Okay, again we'll go for 3 minutes. We'll take some ICICI Bank. Yeah, this is 3-minute chart of ICICI Bank. Any time frame, any script, doesn't matter. All right. Now see, this is 3-minute chart of ICICI Bank. I hope you can see this. We don't need this RSI. Now this is like going upward, and so the stock is it coming down, it again go up, it came down, it again going up, it came down. It is taking, it's bouncing from here on from 100 EMA, and when it actually it is straight, the stock is going nowhere on 3-minute chart frame. It is consolidating. So this is the main significance of 100 EMA, and I hope you guys actually understood this. Any confusion regarding this 100 EMA? Just type yes, no, or whatever your question is. Then I'll move to next part. But prior, how do we know it can turn anytime? See, when you go study this particular 100 EMA, you will come to know when it is turning around. That I'll tell you with FIBO how you can couple it, but you can do your basically homework with 100 EMA. Yes, I have, madam. Okay, please continue. Clear? All right, ma'am. Currently, ICICI bounced to 100 EMA, so it's change again or not? See now. Actually, it is just. So I'm just. I hope you can see this chart. What happened now in next particular trading session? It may come down from here, or it will go sideways from here, and then it may change the direction. Okay, but now it is at 100 EMA, so better don't go for any directional trade. Wait to take the direction. And now if you guys know what kind of basic my method is, 2 bullish candle, 2 bearish candle, RSI 3 above 80-20 band. If you know this, then you can take trades like this, 2 bearish candle and RSI 3 should be below 20, and then you can take the trade from here. So you will take the bearish trend from here, and you can the winning percentage is more like this. So then you can add your strategy with this 100 EMA. But surely you need some setup, and wait for the setup. After getting any setup, then only open the trade. Just don't open the trade on the guesswork. Ki, just touch now it will come down. No, you need to wait for whatever setup you use. I don't know, but wait for it. Okay. Anyway, so we are talking about FIBO. So this is 100 EMA. Now what happened? Actually, stock market works on a rubber band theory, according to me. Okay. Now what is rubber band theory is, whenever you stretch the rubber band, it will come back to its position. So it's like mean reversion, if you know the thing. What happens there? See, whenever stock goes far above 100 EMA, so there is a distance between 100 EMA and this particular high, the stock has to come down. Okay, then it will again take support, or it will change direction, or again it will go up, but again it has to come down. But it will revolve around this particular 100 EMA. If it is going, see this, it came far from 100 EMA. Again, the rubber band effect, it will go to 100 EMA. Again, it came far from 100 EMA. It will go again to 100 EMA. Again, it might come here. Again, it will go to 100 EMA. Fine. This is the basic nature of any stock. Now we will take any other. Can you just suggest me? Chalo, Adanika will take some. We'll just go for now 1 hour time frame. We'll see. All right. Now see this. What happened in Adani? This is 1 hour time frame. It went up, zig. It came down. Okay, near to 100. Again, it went up. Again, what happened here? It came down. Again, it is going up. it is coming down. So this is the rubber band effect. Whenever it will go far off, it has to come down. So whenever the stock is like very far from 100 EMA, again don't open your trade in that particular direction. If you think कि हाँ यहाँ पे हम buy और कोई trade open करते हैं, when it is already far above 100 EMA, so better avoid such trades because it has to come down. Okay, so this is how you have to add logic to your trades basically. So this is the main thing about 100 EMA. Now we'll come to the trend part. For Fibonacci, as I said, we need a clean trend. Now what I mean by clean trend? Now see this.